Hi lovelies, thank you for your time. Today for you, I have a video on topic of short nails, and in this video I will share with you everything on how to make short nails rock. I have to tell you guys that I think that short nails are not ugly at all. Honestly, anything that you take care of and that looks clean and fresh, it cannot be ugly, so please keep that in mind. And if your nails are short, here are some tips and tricks for you guys to rock short nails. And also, if you want me to do like nail designs for short nails, leave me a comment or give this video a thumbs up so that I know, because my nails are currently short because one of them broke and I had to cut them all. The first thing you guys want to do if you have short nails is push back your cuticles. This will actually give your nail more bed space, and that's very important during a long period of time. When you guys push back your cuticles, it will actually reveal more of your nail bed from time, so that you guys can have more space for your nails and you can paint it more. And trust me, I feel like I used to have very small nail beds, and this tip totally helped me. I even used to bite my nails, so trust me, there is hope for everyone. Second thing is to apply nail oil. I have full video on how I make my cuticle nail oils, so I will link that in the description box below as well. So basically, you apply nail oil all over your nails. This tip will also help your nails if they are peeling. That's very important to keep your nails moisturized before applying nail polish, and then you're gonna go wash your hands so you can wash that oily residue in your nail, and then you're going to paint it with some nail polishes. And then you're going to paint your nails with nail polish of your choice. But in this particular case, I will give you my advice on what nail polishes I wear when my nails are this short, or like they're extremely short for me in this case. They can be even shorter for you, but I think these colors very complement nails and give you that fresh kind of look, and that just you guys take care of your hands and they look very pretty and taken care of. I like using this cream sheer nail polish, any nail polish that it's sheer like this, and you can apply it. Has that milky residue, and I love how it looks. It looks so fresh. Like, I don't have nail polish on, I'm not trying, so yeah, it's so pretty. It's like your nails but better. It's basically like no makeup for your nails. Yeah. Also, what I like to do is take tiny little studs, that's my favorite thing, and just apply them like so. Here you can see it, and it looks so pretty. I currently have this manicure on, and I have so many ideas for short nails or long, but in this case I want to make like nail art for short nails, just to show you guys that you can rock designs even on short nails. You don't have to have extremely long nails, even though I love long nails, but sometimes you cannot have it. But look how pretty it looks. It looks like you actually tried and you basically did something so simple. It looks gorgeous. And other nail polish that I love on short nails or long, it's white. White makes everything pop and it looks so much better. I love white nails. You cannot go wrong with white nail polish. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment, and yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!